brushing efficiently with an electric toothbrush is like learning the game all over again, because you have to unlearn all the things that you have been doing with a manual toothbrush. Now, that's the Ferrari in electric toothbrushes. This is what I am using. This is my son's toothbrush, and if you cannot afford even the budget toothbrushes, that's when I would recommend that you use a manual toothbrush. I've done another video for how to brush efficiently with a manual toothbrush. With an electric toothbrush, so if you've got a battery operated brush, then just throw it to the bin. It does you no good. It just makes a lot of sound and vibration in the mouth. It does you no good. This is an Oral-B brush with a round head and oscillating movement, so it does this in the mouth. The other toothbrushes that's there in the market, which is electric, is a Sonic Care one, or which uses sonic vibrations, which is from the Philips brand. The patency for that has actually run out from Philips, and so now there is a lot of brands who make the Sonic Care one. I'm not a fan of it. There is evidence, but also it's just personal opinion and what I have felt, that it does not clean my teeth efficiently, and I take a lot of time. I have had a Sonic Care one for some time, but I have switched back to Philips, the Oral-B one for the last 8 years. I used one that was very similar to this, which literally broke on me, and then I've now got the Oral-B IO, which is the Ferrari, like I said, but I will explain all of that in another video. How to efficiently brush using a manual brush is, the trick is not to move the toothbrush. So you got to leave it on each tooth, each surface for 3 to 5 seconds. So as you can see, this brush head goes up and back and forth like that. And so what you need to do with this brush is that you just need to keep it towards your gum at a 45-degree angle. On the bottom one, it faces down like that. For your top teeth, it faces up like that. Now, if you wanted to brush the insides of your mouth, all you do is keep it towards your gum, angled like that, towards your gum, and keep it there for each tooth, then in between the teeth, then at the bottom of the teeth, then in between the teeth, and then at the bottom of the teeth. And this is the best way to brush. So like I said, each surface, 3 to 5 seconds. So for the back teeth, it's got an outside surface and inside surface, and where you bite 3 seconds each. For the front teeth, there is an inside surface and an outside surface, again 3 seconds each. If there are gaps in between the teeth of the last teeth, you also need to brush behind. So this one of the teeth is missing, got to brush to the front and back for these teeth. So you got to take a little bit more time with brushing efficiently with an electric toothbrush if you need to get very good results. Brushing your teeth with an electric toothbrush. This is an Oral-B Pro 3 series. This is my son's toothbrush. This is what he's using. So with the brush, you need to switch it on, and it's got an oscillating movement, as you can see. What you need to do is you need to leave it towards the gum on each tooth for 3 to 5 seconds, then in between the teeth, and then at the bottom of the teeth, and then in between the teeth and the bottom of the teeth. If you move it, you will not get good efficient brushing, because that will not be able to work very well. And the same on the insides of your mouth. This is where everybody misses, and then at the bottom of the teeth, and then between the teeth, and then bottom of the teeth. So that is also showing us that it's a quadrant's missing. So you've got to just keep it at the bottom, right at the bottom next to the gum, and the same on the outside as well. Keep it at the bottom of the teeth, and then next to the teeth and the bottom of the teeth.